and today I would like to come up and describe to you how the vertical put option strategy works. So let's get started. Since it's a little bit advanced, I would recommend going to my channel Gore Associates if you're not familiar with how the put options work, and go to the options trading full playlist and basically learn about the geeks and also the put stock options. So that's pretty much for the background. So let's get started. So what we are going to try to do is we are let's say on the Tesla stock, which is trading at about 123, and we are mildly bearish. So we can come up with this mildly bearish option spread strategy, and it's called a vertical put debit spread strategy. So I will explain why it is called debit. It's a mildly bearish strategy. It's a reduced premium to take on the position debit as opposed to just buying the put outright. So you have to pay a little bit less to enter the position. It has a limited well-defined risk for taking the position, and it is theta time decay neutral and as well as the vega neutral. And today we are going to look at an expiration in February 17th. So the way to start this strategy is we would buy a one long put at 125, and we will have to pay some premium, and you can see the premium that is paid is 1203 in this example for entering that put. And we are going to offset the cost of the put because we think the Tesla stock can go down because we are mildly bearish, but maybe not too much. So what we are going to do is we'll sell a 115 put, which is one short put, and we'll get a credit for it, in this case 738. So the net premium debit we play to enter this position is 465. So you can see it's 465. So when does the max profit occur? Because this is a put a mildly bearish strategy. Max profit will occur if Tesla is less than 115 at expiration, because what happens is both the puts are in the money. So what ends up happening is the put at 125 is making you money, and the put 115 is almost there because it's almost close to 115 times 100 minus the premium and to enter the position, and this calculation will give you about $535. So that's the max profit. A max loss will occur if the Tesla is greater than 125 at expiration, because both puts are essentially worthless, and whatever premium you pay to enter the position, that's your loss. In this case it would be 465. You can see 465. Another way to think about this is that you have a long put 125, and as Tesla stock goes down a little bit at to say 120, that's break even, because your put is working and helping you, but you have paid some premium to enter the position, so your break even is 120.35. And but as Tesla stock continues to decline, your profit will keep increasing it, and it is actually capped at some value which is at 535 as it is shown in the calculation. Let's see how you would enter this trade. It's pretty straightforward. What you want to do is you select a vertical put. As I said, we are going to buy to open 125 put, and we will be doing sell to open the short 115, and you can see the program is calculating for you the max gain is 535, the max loss is 465, and you can also see that it is theta neutral, because as you can see the theta for the put for 115 and put for 125 is essentially negating each other, and the net theta on this position is close to zero, and same is true for the vega or the volatility, because it is essentially negating both those. And so that's a really good point of this position, and to make the trade is pretty straightforward. You select these values, and then you say review order, and here you can see our debit is 465. That's the debit, and I didn't go over the exchange fees and commissions, but that's pretty small, and then you can just place the trade. So if you have any questions, please add it to the video and on YouTube, and I will be happy to answer them. Thank you for listening, and you have a great day.